Asian elephants are the biggest land animals in Asia. They live in forests and grasslands in countries like India, Thailand, Bangladesh, and more. These elephants can grow up to 11 feet tall and weigh as much as a car. They love eating grass, tree bark, and bananas, spending most of the day marching. Elephants also drink a lot of water and help nature by creating paths for other animals and spending seeds through their dung. Sadly, elephants are losing their homes because of farming, and some of are hunted their ivory. Groups like WWF are working to protect them, and we can help by learning more and raising awareness. Thank you very much to listen this audio. I hope this audio is going to help you to improve your listening.